Welcome to this high school English listening practice video. Today we are going to talk about success and my views on it. Success is a word that carries different meanings for different people. For some, it might be achieving wealth and fame, while for others, it could simply be finding inner peace or accomplishing personal goals. In my view, success is not a destination, but a journey, and it depends on one's perseverance, mindset, and attitude towards life. To begin with, success is closely related to the ability to overcome challenges and setbacks. No one can achieve great things without encountering obstacles along the way. The key to success lies not in avoiding failure, but in learning from it. As the saying goes, failure is the mother of success. Those who embrace their mistakes and strive to improve are more likely to succeed in the long run. Therefore, perseverance, or the ability to persist despite difficulties, plays a crucial role in determining whether a person can reach their goals. Moreover, success requires a positive mindset. People who maintain an optimistic attitude are more resilient when faced with adversity. They see challenges as opportunities to grow rather than insurmountable problems. A famous proverb says, "Where there is a will, there is a way." This highlights the importance of having determination and a strong belief in oneself. With a positive mindset, individuals can push beyond their limits and achieve what may have once seemed impossible. Additionally, success should not be measured solely by material achievements. True success often comes from personal fulfillment and the positive impact one has on others. A successful life is not just about accumulating wealth or climbing the social ladder. It is also about leading a meaningful and purposeful life, helping others, contributing to society, and finding satisfaction in one's passions. These are equally important aspects of success. As Albert Schweitzer once said, success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. Now, I'm going to ask you 2 questions about today's article. Write your answers in a comment down below. 1. What role does perseverance play in achieving success? 2. Why is having a positive mindset important when facing challenges?